Network marketing is a smart business. A smart way to achieve financial freedom. But most MLM salespeople don't know how to make a ton of money, due to a lack of business education. GTN Network is focused solely to help, assist, support, protect, provide and mentor its members in their journey and venture in the networking business. Our key features: get free MLM lead and discover new opportunities. Fastest way to expand your network marketing business. Guaranteed business growth. Meet real leaders of networking business. Blockchain revolution system. Advertising and promotional services. Connect with highly qualified prospects leaders. Choose suitable partner based on your criteria and send them a request to join you. Educational system.